Okay, so I just gotta ask this question. If both of you are trained in micro expressions, how do you both communicate with each other? I mean, isn't that annoying? What is this?
We communicate without words.
What? But wouldn't you be just looking for does he believe me? Is she angry at me? Is she sad? How does that work? It sounds like, ugh.
I think you've got the point that this is something very important, that we look for micro expressions in a positive way. You know, it's not about detecting lies, that you are always checking whether somebody is lying or not. You walk down the street and you look at micro expressions, checking whether, people are nice or not to you. So
Yeah, it's about more authentic relationships.
Exactly. So it works in relationships. It also works in business, that we want to connect, and the connection is the first reason why we meet. And reading micro expressions helps you to become more conscious about what other people feel.
Okay, so you're saying both of you have not used it for negative.
No, why should we?
Yeah, you have much more authentic relationships and you can really feel and know what the other person is feeling and thinking.
Fair enough.
It helps to have a really deeper, loving relationship.
Leads to connection and empathy. Empathy is also one of the superpowers you mentioned, I remember.